Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're jumping into a masterclass on a piece of software that, let's be real, pretty much runs the modern world, Microsoft Excel. We're going to break down this amazing, super comprehensive YouTube tutorial that's designed to take anyone from a total newbie to an absolute pro. So let's get into what makes this course so special. The course creator, Rishabh Mishra, kicks things off with this really powerful statement. He says Excel is one of the most important tools or skills you can have. And you know what? He's absolutely right. Think about it. From your personal budget to the finances of a massive global company, Excel is the engine making it all work. That one idea really sets the tone for why this is so important to learn.
So that brings us to our first big point, understanding just how universal this skill has become. Seriously, it's not just for accountants or data nerds anymore.
And if you're wondering who actually needs this, well, take a look. The answer is pretty much everyone. We're talking students who need to organize research data, professionals building out reports, you name it. It's used in every single industry, in schools, in colleges. It's basically become the universal language of data. And this is exactly why the person teaching the course matters so much. The creator, Rishabh, flat out says he poured his entire data science experience into this. That's huge. It means you're not just learning which buttons to press. You're getting insights from someone who has actually used these tools at a super high level. Okay, so we know why it's so critical to learn. Now let's get into the what. What are you actually going to be learning? The course lays out a really clear, structured roadmap to get you there. Now, I love how this is structured because it shows the whole journey. This course doesn't just throw you into the deep end and hope you can swim. Nope, it starts from square one. Literally, what is Excel? Then you build on that with the core stuff like rows and columns. Then you move into the really powerful tools like functions. And finally, you tackle the advanced topics like pivot tables. It's just a smart, logical path that's actually designed for learning. Now, let's talk about a huge problem with learning online: finding the time. This tutorial has a brilliant feature built right in to solve that exact problem. It's all about how you can learn efficiently. We've all been there, haven't we? You're watching some long tutorial, and you just need to find that one thing you forgot how to do. You end up scrubbing back and forth through the video, just wasting so much time. So how do we fix that? Well, the solution here is simple, but it's an absolute game changer. A topic index. Just like the creator says, this lets you switch between any topics you want to learn or revise. It basically turns a long video into a searchable library that you can keep coming back to over and over again. And this really gets to the heart of it. The creator puts it perfectly. This will save your time. For anyone trying to pick up a new skill while juggling work or school or, life, this isn't just a nice little feature. It's everything. It totally respects your time and lets you focus your energy right where you need it. And here's what that actually looks like. Whether you need a quick refresher on the absolute basics, like what rows and columns are, or you want to get better at using functions, or you're finally ready to tackle advanced stuff like pivot tables, you just jump straight to that section. No more wasted time. All right, so we've gone through the why, the what, and the how. That brings us to the most important part of all. What comes next for you? Picture this. You get to the end of the tutorial and you see this message. It's more than just finishing a video, right? It's that feeling of accomplishment, knowing you've just picked up a really powerful skill that could open up all kinds of new doors for you. And that's really the perfect way to wrap this up, because finishing a course like this isn't the end, it's the beginning. Now you have the tools, so the real question is, what are you going to build with them? What will you analyze? What will you create? Your Excel journey starts right now.